Welcome to Forever Figueroa. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Nightmare Before Christmas cakes that are in this photo. First I started off by making two cakes. They were white cake, but with this one I added orange and green food coloring when it was still raw and kind of swirled it to make a weird design. Now that I cooked it at 350 degrees and put it in the freezer to get cool and to get firm, I'm going to cut out the shape of Oogie Boogie. Now I'm going to frost it. So I got some store-bought frosting, which is vanilla, and I added green food coloring. The frosting is at room temperature, that's why it's so runny, which was really easy for me to apply and make it smooth. So as you can see, I frosted all of the top of the cake and the sides. It was very messy. Then I got some more white frosting and I added black food coloring to it, and I cut a small hole in my pipe bag where now I'm just writing and making the details of the character I'm making. Now I'm going to put it in the freezer so that it firms and clean up my area. Now I'm getting the plain circle cake that I made and cut off the top and flip it. And now I am putting, again, store-bought frosting, vanilla flavor, all around it. I'm frosting the top and the sides to make sure it's nice, smooth, and even. Then, with the pipe bag that I made the other detail on the other cake, I went ahead and started drawing Jack's face. Troy doesn't like it when Jack's evil, so I went ahead and did a happy Jack. See how I messed up right there? Some people think they have to try to squish it or blend it in. I just got my frosting spatula and kind of lifted up the frosting that was underneath it to remove the mess up. Then I got another pipe bag and made a smaller hole so that I can make the stitching. You have to be very careful though, because it comes out swirly if you squeeze too hard and go fast. So that's why I took my time. Remember how I said it came out swirly? I thought that it looked cute, so I went ahead and cleaned the cake plate and went ahead and started writing happy birthday. I thought that how it came out swirly looked kind of spooky. Then I went ahead and let that cool in the freezer as well. Now to finish with Oogie Boogie, I placed him on a cake plate, and remember in the movie when Jack pulls his thread, how bugs come out of him? I went ahead and put worms all over it. Troy loved his cakes and he had such a happy birthday. Thank you for watching.